To enhance minors' awareness of self-protection, effectively prevent school bullying incidents, and maintain a harmonious campus environment. Recently, Zhang Jiawei, a police officer from the Amin Street community of the Xicheng District Changjiao Police Station, conducted a legal lecture themed Reject School Bullying, Build a Safe Campus Together for 127th grade students at Beijing No.39 Middle School. Please watch the report.
Because respect is the bottom line of our humanity. Without respect, there is no equality, freedom, or fraternity.
Through vivid case studies and plain language, Police Officer Zhang Jiawei explained the basic meaning and harm of school bullying to the students. He analyzed the causes of school bullying from various perspectives, including family, school, and society, and proposed measures for teachers and students to deal with school bullying.
In fact, school bullying can start from something very small and gradually evolve into serious criminal behavior. This includes joking between classmates. If you're not careful, you might end up hurting others.
Do not neglect small acts of kindness, and do not commit small acts of evil. Happiness sought by bullying others will not earn you respect or friendship. If you or someone else encounters the issue of school bullying, you must seek help from teachers, parents, or the police.
The first thing I want to do is chat with the students about this issue of school bullying. The second thing is to enhance their awareness of prevention, and I also want to give them a brief introduction to legal education from a young age.
This lecture has strengthened the students' legal awareness and safety consciousness and improved their safety literacy and self-protection capabilities.
The children were very enthusiastic and proactive during today's lecture, which helped them realize what school bullying is, how to protect themselves, and how to care for others. The significance of this lecture is profound.
Moving forward, Beijing No.39 Middle School will continue to carry out various forms of legal publicity and education on preventing school bullying, guiding teenagers to grow up healthily, and working together to create a harmonious and civilized campus.
Alright viewers, that is all for today's City Sunshine. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to call our hotline at 96168. We will see you again tomorrow at the same time.